Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall Chatty. So without any further ado, let's get started. So there are three ways to uninstall this app. The first way is to simply tap and hold on the app. Then tap on App Info option. Here, click on the uninstall option in the bottom section of your screen. Then tap on the OK button. Similarly, the next way is to go to Settings Application, scroll down your screen, then tap on Apps option. Here click on Manage Apps. In the search bar type in Chatty. Now tap on the Uninstall option, and if you're sure, tap on the OK button. And finally, the last way is to go to Play Store application. In the search bar type in Chatty. Click on the app. Now click on the uninstall option. And if you're sure, tap on the uninstall option once again. So that is how you can uninstall Chatty application. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.